In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Gmail on Windows 11. It's essential to note that there isn't an official Gmail desktop app for Windows 11. However, you can still create a similar experience by installing Gmail using a browser as an app. This is a handy workaround that mimics a standalone app, providing quick access to your emails. Let's dive right in. First, open up Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Microsoft Edge is a reliable browser that comes pre-installed with Windows 11, so you won't have to download anything extra. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, you're ready for the next step. Now, direct your browser to mail.google.com. This is the official Gmail website where you can access your emails. By doing this, you ensure that you're setting up the app with the correct and secure link. It's like laying the foundation for your Gmail app. Once you're on the Gmail website, look towards the top right corner of your browser window. You'll spot an icon represented by 3 dots. This is the menu button, and it houses additional tools and features. Click on these 3 dots. This step is crucial because it opens up more options that allow you to customize your browsing experience. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, navigate your cursor to More Tools. This section contains a variety of options that expand the functionality of Microsoft Edge. Hover over More Tools until another submenu appears. Now, in the submenu under More Tools, find and click on Apps. This option is key to turning the Gmail webpage into an app-like experience on your desktop. By selecting Apps, you are telling Edge that you want to treat this site differently from a regular webpage. Next up, click on Install this site as an app. This option allows the Gmail site to be installed in a way that mimics an actual application on your desktop. It's an important step because it gives you the convenience of accessing Gmail directly from your taskbar or Start menu. You will then be prompted to name the app. By default, it might suggest a name, but you should type in Gmail. Naming it Gmail ensures that it is easily recognizable among your apps and makes it clear at a glance. This little step can save you a lot of time later when you're quickly trying to access your emails. Once you've named it, go ahead and click Install. This action will finalize the process, and you'll see Gmail added as an app on your Windows 11 system. You might notice a new icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. This confirms that the installation was successful. Congratulations! You have now successfully installed Gmail as an app on your Windows 11 computer using Microsoft Edge. This setup provides you with a seamless way to check your emails without the need to open a browser each time. It's a small change, but it makes a big difference in how effortlessly you can stay connected. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helped you get Gmail installed as an app on your Windows 11 system. Feel free to explore other ways to enhance your productivity with similar tools. Have a great day, and see you in the next video.